to open a Kinder Joy. Look, it's a construction truck. Let's put it together. Look, it's a little spinning top. Let's click the pieces together and see it spin. Look what I found inside this Kinder Joy. It's a racing car. Let's put the wheels on and look, it's ready. Wow, look at all these Kinder Joy eggs. Let's open this one. Oh, it's a little robot.
Okay, everyone, let's see what we got. Oh, wow, it's a plane. Watch this. We just snap the wings on like this.
Okay, let's see what's inside this one. Oh, wow, a princess doll. Now let's put her together.